for Maya Yomu, anyone's and some Dana diet and so for a way may you now. Someone when you say a train to ye and one at the end, and I just say, Yen I a chair as swat de Piara at that. Now, you may have been my Captain Smart once and send me a Danu coronavirus, Dana diet recording new cases, new ones and Kwa and Eba. Now, Minabo Eka say Eddie, Director of Communication, Eddie, the opposition party, the National Democratic Congress. Yenya Bema lawyer Sami Jemfi, what did I know at all and some no na enye ononkwo so yankasa yan papa Prophet Nigel Gazi so akasa ede afa ehum na abusuafo say anka ene dey na ya papa Prophet Nigel Gazi wone yenua bema na say yenso ya papa ebiemu Captain Smart program and papa for 8 a.m. sharp. Now okoko piemu ewo no dey timi eka chere ya ne say Captain Smart when you want ya working it out, and you know, one not respect and no what every man and I have for no man no it takes some time of or non like some minute of or non time. Nuti and a man they ex na one and no didn't some to you which him said the air yenya na Ghana there and who be say a bebo a pine and no some so and some children no so aba bebo say yeah, about Doctor Bobo, and say Angel Broadcasting Network a benefit for one more AC, one more say a new woman near who, radio she. Now, I was young from and some not a buy, a woman making kind a BFR, and Mam Day, in your Bema, Samijin fee, lawyer Samijin fee, and any A. Kanya, and some no any was saying. Just learning that the host of the Angel FM morning show, Captain Smart, has been taken off air due to the pressure from certain higher ups in the Intolerant Akufo-Addo government. Apparently, the NPP bigwigs are not enthused with how critical the journalist has become on the failed government Akufo-Addo regime in recent times. A culture of silence that is fast creeping back into our body politics under the watch of President Akufo-Addo and Dr. Bawumia. The CEO and management of the Angel Broadcasting Network must bow down their heads in shame. We papa lawyer Sami Jemfi NDC communication director Nensa much as our nom and so a day to eja a day about abontia just our day chimwa CEO Edema Angel Broadcasting Network any management no one more NC one say a new emu na ya papa Prophet Nigel Gazi and so edia our day eba no any was saying. So I got there, but Captain Smart was asked to walk out of the show by the unseen hand. I bet you know that. But for the respect I have for Nanaya Brefo, I have to just give them some few minutes of my time. The best is yet to come. Pray for Ghana. See you in church tonight. Prophet Nigel Gazi. We any one also name someone what day to a year a jam. I just want this sticker. Now a Captain Smart and net day and a papa for she one more a day as a year as so I know just say or day to a jam. I will say and I and no man to Ghana. Dear, you're looking for the best because they're air banu. Dear air banu. And I said, the air popo abano. And ya they say you bet me I den asom. Ya kukuru pony na ye beswa. And then I just say asem no emu ebeye dupa eye na empire pa. And I was a Ghana. Your boy ede ema ye because ye nya empanyfo ne enkrofo a wo mo awa omanmu a wo mo pe no kwaredie no mo petine ne eye no wo mo pe de pepepe ye dia. And ye say ya na ebekọ eye esom. Na abusuafo ye hwa bio. And yeah, because of say, and you say you're politicizing and some of there be men came and not ever everybody. Now, so you should depend me know what my baby say. Woman in our age now on the ticket of the NDC. Yeah, but Prophet Nigel Gazi and him say, one of the banner NDC won't come channel on your madiam. Down or no about one thing and some ever today. But said the 2020 about one no AC acquire and see Dudwana at the attack so NDC pastor. And I share in your Bema lawyer Samijin or not dear or the communication director at the NDC Amano Kulu. Now you know any woman say about 2 year ejana. And then because of so we are NDC Amano Kulu. Now in your Bema Ekasa the tree MP Amano Kulu Nuti and a woman Eka be at the Amano. Now so empty and a woman soon and one motia bemo. And a yaman say Captain Smart Ekasa ya. Uncle one bit me about one thing I will make such a comment and only Ghana for Ebi and someone one able to say Ghana dear. I a ban a quote a year from baby dear. And as I see a chop on a cofa will be a quiet. I say, aha, oh, contractor and a need gene or a chop on him. By a funny down one year, yeah, but demolition what I was say, there be contractor in there be when the engine. I do be an NDC, Amano Kono, Emo, Penny for Ebi, and I say, Mukasama Fobino, and the air, and I said, I did the woman can a no cry and sa. Now I was a woman shadow. What bit me can no cry, Emma and Muntinum, yet me as suspended no Eddie a free edgum. Abra ebinom so kasa ebinom so kwapo etimi kasa bitia aban panifo ne de keka wo ye hwe MPs ye hwe ebiemo so ministers ye hwe wo motina radio so communication directors edema other opposition parties ne parties ahodo se de wo betina radio so e backlash wo mo eyonkofo etimi twa ede abo wo mo bi ka wo mo frank atufo ni nyina no enti wo mo ede ye chi wo mo contempt anase ye suspend wo mo anase ye ji bibia wo mo eye free woman sa enya na anase dane chese woman ewo bia na wo di brand de onbeko so atimi aka wo mo so nsem na mom so wo yetimamuni na wo de wuni bi walu endro bedwam na wo buka kakra wo be ya wo di bedi de no di gina no kwade die enso na nunti e beji e de fu wo nsem na ne oman no ye koye anase ye baye ebusia form wutie from the aspect of nsema eba ne Captain Smart die ya wo sha ne ye nua be ma Captain Smart na ye papa Captain Smart wo di for e nsema wo kan ye no ho anam na se won di for ene de ya suspended no because of pressure eba na nie say the G pressure na atu mu anu nti no this suspension no so man ye papa e Captain Smart na o ye de excessive memuni so anam ensemi abusia mi chai ede ema wo sefo wade ntwe no ebra e woni die kwan so ene wo buo ekwan eso enti fa beto edwa e to manchi comment section na like your videos no na share na afofo so ensure wo ma do wetin me follow yen our IG page and your Twitter page so @gh_ Facebook and so @gh follow yen so wo IG page @gh_ ne Twitter on no na emepom no ma jinche no so no ye nya kwan akenkan etimi ede amam aha enam dimu AC dasene ye besan edi ehia ebi media ene ekua sikapa makram